Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Machine by Breville, Titan. Vertuo Pop Plus Deluxe offers a variety of coffee formats in 5 sizes, including 5, 8, 12 ounces coffees, as well as single and double espressos brewed hot or over ice. Sleek Vertuo design with 37 fluid ounces, removable side water tank placement for easy access to fit tiny spaces. One-touch coffee system, 30-second heat-up time, automatic used coffee pod ejection and adjustable drip tray for shorter cups. Precision brewing unlocks a smooth, full-bodied coffee topped with a velvety layer of coffee foam, for a perfect cup every time. Nespresso offers an array of over 40 permanent specialty Vertuo coffees, from dark and strong to mild and smooth, as well as unique limited edition blends and flavors. Nespresso capsules are fully recyclable. Recycle the aluminum capsules through Nespresso's free program. Get best price, discount and details about this item. You can click link in description.